Today we're going to unbox and set up a Google Chromecast product. I'm going to unbox it. I've tried the Google Chromecast, the Kindle, Fire Stick, and the Roku. I liked Roku for a long time, but when I tried this, I really like this. This always works. It tends to compensate for a drop Wi-Fi. I just seem to have less trouble with this. So I'm changing everything over to this. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, we've got this here, and this here. Okay, and here is the Chrome stick, right here. Brand new. Looks good. Here is the remote. Okay, that looks good. And it tells you how to get started, what to do. Okay, that. And then you've got the power, and they even give you some batteries. Go ahead and put the batteries in here. Okay, they both go the same way. Slides back in. Got power right here, USB. Okay, now we're ready to go set it up. It's really simple. Just put it into any HDMI that you have, and the other end the electric goes into, and just plug it in. You're ready to go.
Okay, now we're over on my television screen. First thing, I need to choose my language. I'm going to choose the United States because I speak English. Thank you ahead of time for clicking subscribe, like, and notification buttons so that you will get the videos when I post them, showing you how to use another piece of equipment that you can't live without. And then it will give you options. You can set it up on your TV, you can use the QR code, or you can use the app. Right now, I'm trying to scan the QR code. It took me several times to get it to work. So I keep scanning and scanning, and finally it connects. And you sign into Google, and then it downloads a system update. This one took about 20 minutes. And then the Chrome will automatically reboot. And then it wants you to finish with the Google app, which I get on the App Store. I open it up. And here you can see that it picked up the last setup I did with the Google Chrome, which was in Macintosh, Florida. And I need to change my home from Macintosh to home. And you can see the Chromecast is right there. I select it, then I select home, and then next. And then click continue. It's searching for my home network for the Chromecast. And it's looking for other devices. And my Chromecast was found. I'm directed to scan a QR code again or continue without scanning. I'm going to scan it. This time it works pretty good. It's pretty fast. And I accept to use it. I choose the location name that I want on this Chrome stick. I click next, and my Chromecast will connect to my local Wi-Fi. And I need to sign into my Google account. Click continue. Google signs into your account and it updates again. Click continue. You can choose a couple options here. Help improve Chromecast in services and your privacy. Click accept. Then your Google Assistant comes up. You're going to click continue. You want to click allow. I like it to find all my devices because it's really easy to transfer everything. It gives you an option to do YouTube Premium. I deny that because I never remember to turn them off, so I just don't do it. You select your subscriptions, click more. When I select Sling TV, it asks me if I want to link the account. I say yes. And do you already have a Sling account? Yes, I do. And yes, continue. Which do you want to see sign in? And then you pick your sign in information and go ahead and fill it out. Choose a screensaver and review setup, then exit. Click Done when you're done. And a good 30 minutes later, we're all set. It's installing your apps. This took quite a while as well. I think maybe 15, 20 minutes again. It's ready to use. And you can see all of your apps are here. And as you use them, Google will recommend shows from your apps after you've set up the login and everything. And I find it to be pretty spot on. Netflix is really good with that. Most of the other services are not. And I think that the Chrome is much better at it than most of the other devices. Another thing I really like about the Google Chrome is that it suggests channels for you as well. I've discovered a couple channels that we watch a lot, like Tubi. It's got a lot of the shows that I like, and you don't necessarily have to sign up for them. So I really like that with Google. So there you go. Enjoy your new Chromecast, and I will see you next week.